Hi everyone, Jack and Miso from Eisaku Kaiwa Community here again. And today I'm going to give you my top 3 fast food recommendations when you visit America, and my recommended dish at those restaurants. And as always with my videos with Miso, today's video is going to be a little more casual and is meant as listening practice for you. So let's get started. Okay. Number 3 on my list is a Chinese-style fast food restaurant called Panda Express. And I think Panda Express is already in Japan too. I believe I ate it in Odaiba in Tokyo. So if you want to give it a shot even in Japan, you can do that there. But this is a fantastic place that I always go to when I'm in America. And my recommended dish here is their orange chicken. So I'll put a picture here so you know what I'm talking about, but this is their classic, most famous dish, and it's what I always get whenever I go there. So that's what I recommend getting, and it's a fantastic place to go if you're in America because it's very, very cheap and very, very fast. All right, number 2 on my list is a very popular restaurant in California in America, and it is called In-N-Out. So maybe you've heard of this restaurant before, but it has a very big following, a cult following you could say, and is one of my personal favorites. So it's very, very cheap, and it sells hamburgers much like McDonald's, but I think it's actually even cheaper than McDonald's. There is less variety, but it is fantastic quality for the price. And my recommendation there is any of their cheeseburgers or hamburgers, but In-N-Out has a special secret menu, and a lot of people, myself included, like to order their burgers animal style. So this means they add a little bit extra sauce and they put grilled onions on their burger, and it is so good. And I have a lot of friends from Japan who have gone there when they visited America and they loved it. So this is one of my biggest recommendations, and you should try animal style hamburgers at In-N-Out. All right, and my number 1 recommendation, and maybe one of my favorite restaurants in the entire world, and definitely the place that has the food I miss the most in America, is Chick-fil-A. So if you don't know, I am from the South, and Chick-fil-A is a chain restaurant that started in the South of the US. And when I was in college, I probably ate here 3 times a week. That is how much I love it. So Chick-fil-A, you might be able to tell from the name, is a fried chicken specialty restaurant. So no hamburgers, just chicken. And my recommendation for you if you go for lunch or dinner is just their standard fried chicken sandwich. It is just pickles, chicken, and bread, but it is fantastic. And they have great Chick-fil-A home sauce that I really love too, so I recommend trying it with that. But actually my favorite thing, and the food I miss most from America, is their breakfast, their chicken biscuits. And I'll show you a picture here, but these are just like their chicken sandwiches, except instead of bread and no pickles, they use biscuits. And you might be thinking, fried chicken for breakfast? That's kind of weird. And you're right, it is pretty weird, but don't knock it till you try it. This is by far my favorite fast food item. So if you're in America and you need to get breakfast in the airport or somewhere, Chick-fil-A is definitely my recommendation. So I hope this video was interesting and helpful for you, and I hope this gave you some ideas of fast food to try when you're in America. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to practice your English more, please click the link below and sign up for a lesson with me at Eisaku Kaiwa Community. The lessons are all private man-to-man lessons, and your first lesson is half off. Miso might also be in the background, so please, if you're interested, give it a shot. But that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Good job, Miso. You did it.